Welcome back to Philippine News!
Isa ang patay at isa naman ang sugatan sa nangyaring banggaan sa Pasig City. Pakinggan natin ang buong kwento. Dana?
Dito sa Pasig City, may banggaan ng motorsiklo at bisikleta bandang alas 12 ng hapon. Dado na spot ang nakasakay sa bisikleta, sugatan naman ang driver ng motor. Kunin natin ang kanyang panig. Sir, pwede mo bang ikwento paano po nangyari ang aksidente na ito?
Nagdadrive lang po ako sa one-way section. Tapos bigla na lang po may lumitaw na nagbibisiklet. Nagbanggaan po ako.
Back to you, Rain Mendoza.
Tatlong binatilyo ang nahulihan umano ng ipinagbabawal na droga na nagkakahalagang 168,000 pesos dito sa Antipolo City. Dalawa sa mga ito ay nanlaban na kasalukuyang nasa ospital dahil sa mga natamong sugat at ang isa naman ay kasalukuyang iniimbestigahan na sa police station. Ayon sa isa sa mga nahuli, aminado ito na gumagamit at nagbebenta sila ng illegal drugs.
Di na po ako nanlaban. Aminado po akong gumagamit po ako ng droga. Ito lang po kasi paraan para makabuhay kami. Mahirap po talaga buhay ngayon. Wala po kami pinagkakakitaan kaya ito lang po yung paraan namin para mabuhay.
The lump prices of petroleum products will continue to climb as local oil companies announce an increase of 2 pesos effective Tuesday, September 19. The price of gasoline will rise at 2 pesos while the price of diesel will rise at 2 pesos and 50 cents and kerosene will rise at 2 pesos.
A lot of different views and comments from the public have arisen since the Department of Education announced that, as part of its gradual transition back to the previous academic calendar, the start of classes for the 2024-2025 school year would be on July 29. As part of that, the current school year will also end sooner. Instead of ending on June 14, 2024, the DepEd moved it 2 weeks earlier, which will be on May 31. Let's bring in Kurt Lucky, who is currently at Antipolo Immaculate Conception School. Kurt, are you there?
Yes, Sean. The students have various opinions about the recent announcement by the Department of Education. I interviewed some students earlier and some are against it and some agree. Here I have someone from AICS and let us ask his opinion about this matter. What is your opinion about the recent adjustments to the schedule of classes?
For me po, I'm against it kasi sobrang stressful po mag-aral and kung matutuloy man po yun, onti lang po yung time para makapagpahinga kami.
Thank you. Back to you, Sean.
Thank you, Kurt. Magbabalik ang Philippine News.
Want that K-pop glow? Try new Rexona Vitamin Bright with super antioxidants CB3 and E for a deo that gives you super bright glow. New Rexona Vitamin Bright. Glow for it.
Dumako naman tayo sa usapang pang-atleta. AICS is one of the schools in Antipolo that is known for the skills of their students in sports, such as badminton, volleyball, and basketball. In the intramurals that was held at AICS, basketball was the most watched game. It is in fact one of the highlights of the entire intramurals. Let's now listen to Kurt Lucky, who is currently at the court of Antipolo Immaculate Conception School.
Basketball nga ang isa sa mga patok na sport sa mga kalalakihan this generation. As a matter of fact, it is the most awaited game during the intramurals of AIT. Today, I am here with Paulo Di Macano, one of the key players of the Mint Green team. He contributed important points to win the game against navy blue and purple team. Let us now ask him a few questions. What inspired you to play basketball?
Inspired sa akin maglaro ng basketball ang mga magulang. Especially tatay ko. Kasi siya yung nagtututaan. Yung Facebook ko na yung sa akin. Pumasok sa akin sa mga liga-liga.
What can you say to the people who just started playing basketball?
Tuloy-tuloy lang kayo sa pangarap nyo. Mag-practice kayo na maigi. Tapos, yun. Dadating din kayo sa gusto mo.
Thank you. Back to you, Sean.
Good morning mga Cassies! Welcome back to Cassie Talks. Many influencers have went viral for their looks, talents, and of course, their influence. But our guest for today is an influencer who has gone viral because of their newly released clothing brand, All or Nothing. The reason why it went viral is because of the inclusivity it offers to every body type. So let's cut to the chase and let's welcome Miss Abigail Zerudo. So how does it feel being recognized as an owner of a clothing brand that shows the diversity of every woman's body type?
Wow. Words cannot explain how grateful I am to be given this platform. Of course, as an influencer, I will use this platform for good, which is by raising awareness and opportunities for all body types of women.
Okay, wow. So how did you come up with that idea?
Like I said po, I want all women to feel included, especially in clothes, which is especially for plus-sized women.
Okay. So, alam mo ba, people like you in social media really deserve to be recognized. Kasi you use your platform in a nice way. You're like an influencer that is an advocate for every important topics and struggle. Thank you as well for being my guest for today. Thank you also, Cassies, for watching today's video. And I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. Until next time, goodbye!
Thank you very much for this wonderful award. Dreams really do come true. As I'm just standing in front of all of you, I would like to thank my family, my friends, the directors and the crews who helped me throughout this process of the movie. Also to my fans who constantly support my movie. I will continue to do more better in the future. That's all. Thank you!
Miss Vivian, congratulations for winning this Oscar award. So how do you feel about winning this award?
I honestly didn't expect to win this award because there are many actors and actresses who are better than me when it comes to acting. But yeah, I won, so I will continue to do more movies and probably will try to sing next time. Yeah, that's it.
Wow, you got that fighting spirit there. Thank you, Miss Vivian, for the interview. Congrats again. Bye!
Maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay at panonood.
Kwentong totoo.
Balita na makabuluhan.
Magbabalik bukas na umaga.
Ang Philippine News!